The boy who forgot to pray. Finding faith in busy life. Liam was a 12-year-old boy who lived in a quiet suburban neighborhood. He grew up in a home where his parents gently encouraged him to pray every morning and night. It wasn't forced, it was simply a small moment of gratitude, a way to keep kindness alive in the heart. But as Liam grew older, life grew louder. Schoolwork piled up. Sports practice ran late. Games and social media kept him awake at night. Slowly, he began forgetting. One morning, Liam rushed to school and realized on the bus that he hadn't prayed. "It's okay. I'll do it later," he told himself, but later never came. Days turned into weeks, and during those weeks, things felt different. Liam wasn't doing anything wrong, but he began feeling strangely empty. Sometimes angry, sometimes stressed for no reason. Little problems felt bigger. He snapped at his friends, argued with his parents, and even felt lost in class. One night, after a tough day, Liam lay awake, scrolling on his phone. His mother quietly walked in and sat beside him. "Liam," she said softly. "When was the last time you talked to God?" Liam looked up, his eyes soft. "I don't remember," he whispered. His mother smiled gently. "Prayer isn't only for asking things, it's for grounding your heart, reminding you that you are never alone. Life becomes heavy when we try carrying everything ourselves." That night, Liam put down his phone. He closed his eyes. He took a breath, and for the first time in months, he prayed. Not a fancy prayer, not a long one. Just honest words. "Thank you for today. Help me be better tomorrow." Something warm settled in his heart, peace he had forgotten. From that day on, Liam didn't become perfect, but he remembered one thing. No matter how busy life got, prayer was his quiet anchor. A moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the goodness inside him. And slowly, the anger faded, the stress soft, the light returned. Because sometimes, the smallest moment with God becomes the biggest turning point in life. Moral of the story: prayer keeps the heart grounded, even in the busiest moments.